oh my goodness, this thing is amazing. This is crazy. Today we're testing out the Spaz Stix Chrome. Going to start off by using this black backer. Apply at 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit and shake for 1 minute. Hold can at least 8 to 10 inches away from spray surface and apply in thin layers with smooth, continuous motions until desired coverage is achieved. Shake occasionally, clean valve when holding can. When finished, hold can upside down and spray for 2 seconds. Yep, that's pretty much all the directions you got. I want to test it on the spoons. I want to test the black on one spoon. I'm going to test the plain chrome by itself. Alright, I just sprayed this following the directions, and oh my goodness, this thing is amazing. The black is like completely glossy. I can make out the colors behind me of the tree. I can make out what's on my shirt. This is crazy. Alright, for the chrome can, after you use the prep, which I'm not doing, hold can 8 to 10 inches away from surface, applying several thin dry coats initially, and then add more coats. Let dry in between coats to try achieve a high luster reflective mirror look. Keep can in constant motion during application. Allow can to warm room temperature, which it's been sitting in the house for a while. Shake for 30 seconds. So I already shook it for a minute. Alright. Occasional shaking during use. Spray stops. Twist head from side to side without removing it. Allow 10-15 minutes dry time. Finish painting. Clean valve. Holding can upside down for 2 seconds and wipe residue from spray tip. I just sprayed 3 coats, 10 seconds to dry in between. They were very light. You can see there's a good bit of gloss on there. I'm going to let this dry. This is pretty much dry. I can put on the chrome now. So we're going to apply the chrome in light coats and let them dry and see how shiny we can get that to be. It's a day later. And this thing's really shiny. I didn't add too many coats to it. Honestly, this is really good. Really good chrome, and it's all in the power of the black gloss base coat. I'd recommend you use this if you're doing big projects, but since it's like almost $20 a can for both the black and the chrome, I would not use this too much.